Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, welcome to the session of EVS. This is your EVS session. Quickly take out your EVS works on page number 15. Children, please open page number 15. 1 5 15. Okay. So, now what you can see here, let's read this interesting facts given below first. Okay, road transport, rail transport. Now they are showing the difference between the road transport and rail transport. What are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? Advantages means कि हमें क्या फायदा है रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट का, एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस मीन्स हमें क्या नुकसान है रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट का. ओके, इन द सेम वे रेल ट्रांसपोर्ट, हमें क्या फायदा है रेल ट्रांसपोर्ट का और क्या हमें नुकसान है. फाइन. So first of all, we will read the advantages and disadvantages of the road transport. Advantages of traveling by road are cheap. Cheap मतलब सस्ता पड़ता है. Easy availability. Yes. कभी भी easy availability है, चाहे हम by bus जाए, चाहे हम by car जाए, or we can go by scooter. Okay, the next is helps carry goods from one place to another. Okay, so it also helps in from the road transport. What is the benefit that we can take the goods? कोई भी सामान है एक जगह से हम दूसरी जगह पर ले जा सकते हैं वेरी इजीली. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस? डिसएडवांटेजेस मीन्स कि इसकी क्या कमियां हैं, क्या हमें किस चीज का फायदा नहीं है इसमें. लिमिटेड कैरिंग कैपेसिटी. यस, हम इसमें बहुत सारा लगेज नहीं ले जा सकते. कार में लिमिटेड सीट्स है, लिमिटेड प्लेस है सामान रखने की. सो लिमिटेड कैरिंग कैपेसिटी. कॉजेज एयर पॉल्यूशन. यस, causes air pollution means there is lots of pollution by these vehicles. Bad weather like floods, rain, and landslide causes problem not suitable for traveling very long distances. If we want to go to some hilly areas, it's very difficult to travel by our own transport as there are so many landslides. Okay, rain is there. So due to bad weather, the road transport is not that much good. Now we will discuss about rail transport. What are the advantages? क्या फायदे हैं? Advantages of traveling by train are cheaper than air transport. Yes, it is cheaper than air transport, not from the road transport, but it is very cheaper than the air transport. Comfortable for traveling long distances. It is very easy to travel if you want to go for long distance like 24 hours journey, 10 hours journey. It's good to travel by train. Next is faster than traveling by bus or car. Yes, it is more faster. We'll reach more earlier than traveling by car or bus. Suitable for carrying heavy goods in large quantities over long distances. We can carry so many luggage if how many luggage we want to take along with us. Now, what are the disadvantages? क्या अच्छा नहीं है इसमें? By traveling from rail transport, not suitable for traveling in remote areas like hills or mountains. It's not. There is no facilities also, and even it is not comfortable to go by train. Runs on a fixed timetable. Yes, it has a proper time. It's not that you can go anytime and take the trains. No, the trains have their proper depart and arriving time. So it is difficult to travel by rail if we have to manage it in the way of time. Okay. So now what you have to do is write two advantages and disadvantages of each. Two advantages of road transport, you can take it from here: cheap, easily availability. Disadvantages also you can take from here: causes air pollution, limited carrying capacity. Advantages of rail transport, you can write from here: cheaper than air transport, faster than traveling by bus or car. And what are the disadvantages? Not suitable for traveling in remote areas and runs on a fixed timetable. Is it clear? So today you have to complete your page number 15. Please open your daily diaries, write the date on the top, and write the homework for EVS to page number 15. And please write it neatly. All right? Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.